Hello, this is Nonna Maria. Today I'm gonna make veggie scacciata. The last time it was potatoes, just potatoes, scacciata. This time is mixed veggie. It's a zucchini, a julienne zucchini. I put one potato, a carrot, and I put some salt, some garlic powder, and I let it rest for a little while. Just remember, I know that to you guys it comes up the short version of my recipes. So just remember, subscribe to my channel if you want to see the full recipe of at Nonna Maria 1433. I remember YouTube, okay? Parmigiano Reggiano, Pecorino Romano, rosemary, eggs, and flour. Okay, let's begin. Now I had some Parmigiano Reggiano, Pecorino Romano, some spices, and a little rosemary, and we mixed.